Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Amazing Animals. I'm Brian.
And I'm Kylie.
And if this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, get notifications when we post up new content. We have been in the Amazon the last couple days, and we got some flights last night, and we went to Cusco, and today we're going to Machu Picchu.
Yeah, look at the mountains behind us. We are in a totally different climate at this point. It is not hot and humid. It's a little chilly. We are going up high, and we gotta go catch our train. Let's go.
Here we go. All right, so we have boarded the train, and we are on our way up to Machu Picchu. We have these windows. Hopefully we'll get some really nice views, and then we have to take another bus before we get to Machu Picchu. And there's like a 2.5 hour limit, so we can only be in Machu Picchu for 2.5 hours. We can't wait to see it.
Yeah, I'm excited. I think it's going to be just gorgeous up there. I really hope we see some llamas and alpacas like walking around.
We may have brought some snacks from breakfast at the hotel to give to an alpaca or a llama, so we'll see. All right, so we are in a little town called Machu Picchu Pueblo, and it's kind of like the place where the train station stops. And then from here, we're gonna get on another bus and finally be at Machu Picchu.
And they have some delicious bakery food, so I think we're gonna go grab a little breakfast.
Let's go. All right, so we've made it to the top. We're at the entrance of Machu Picchu. It's a timed entry, so we have a ticket with a specific time on it, and we're a little bit early, so we're waiting for our guide to come find us.
Yeah, so it's gorgeous bus ride, just like snaking up and down the mountains, and obviously a lot of people are wanting to come visit here, so it is kind of nice that they time it so that way it doesn't get too crowded. They definitely number the amount of people so we can really enjoy Machu Picchu.
Yeah, there's a lot of people here. You ready to see this? That's all the people that we came up with. Like 9 buses came up at one time, and we all have staggered times to go in. So it's interesting, but we cannot wait to go in. We'll get there soon. All right, so we are halfway up the hill, the mountain.
Like, it's not
what
a
is
hill.
it? It's been a lot of walking.
Our guide just said we're about 8,000 feet up, so we're pretty high up there, and the mountain right behind us is actually Machu Picchu Mountain.
Yeah, Machu
So
Picchu is right there. That's Machu
Is
Picchu Mountain.
Machu Picchu. So we are hiking, and we're almost up to the top.
Here we go.
Know why? Llamas has 3.
There's a llama. It's a wild llama. So we made it. Machu Picchu is behind us. It is awesome. The Inca people built this village or this town or city over 500 years ago.
Yeah, and this is the cloud forest. So we are between Cusco and the rainforest. So it's a really unique ecosystem here as well. It's actually more hot and humid than what I was expecting. Beautiful and so cool to see the Inca ruins behind us.
Yeah, and we were in Cuzco last night, and that's where we stayed. And Cuzco is actually higher elevation than it is here. So I thought we were going higher when we got to Machu Picchu, but technically we came down to get to Machu Picchu, and that's what makes this the cloud forest, and that's what makes it hotter and warmer. Is we're actually at a lower elevation than when we were in Cuzco. It was actually cold in Cuzco, so it's very interesting. Not what we expected, but it is very cool, and we have a lot more to explore. So the Inca people built Machu Picchu here to be closer to God. They felt like if they built a city this high up, they'd be closer to God. And up on top of this mountain, there's actually one little house, and that was the person in charge of this whole community. It's built for almost 500 people. Ornithologists think that 500 to 600 people lived full time in this place. It is crazy. You can actually see houses. You can see where they kept storage. You can see where they had kitchens. You could see where they prayed. It's amazing. All right, so we are back in our hotel. We had a blast in Machu Picchu.
It was beautiful up there. We had such a nice day, nice and sunny. We got to see it really well. I am exhausted at this point. This is the end of our trip. I'm so sad, but also kind of can't wait to get home and miss all of our babies.
See all of my babies, yeah. It was such a nice time. 8 days in Peru. Peru, you've been amazing. You've taught us so much, and we can't wait to come back. So, as always, go out there, do something amazing.